Hello everyone, I'm Jerry D'Ambrosio, and it's my pleasure to present this very special presentation. We are thrilled to introduce our latest initiative, the all-new VectorVest Investor Community, where all VectorVest subscribers can engage in 24/7 chat and attend live weekly presentations. Building on our successful coaching rooms, this space aims to deliver timely market updates, including our signature daily color guard report, which will now be presented live, ensuring you receive crucial information faster than ever before. In the weeks ahead, we will roll out more curated content, from recurring series to special insights tailored to current market conditions. An investor community room provides a crucial space for investors to connect, share insights, and learn from each other's experiences. By fostering collaboration and knowledge exchange, these communities empower members to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of financial markets more effectively. And tonight, I want to walk you through how to access the room and take you on a little tour of the new interface. Within the VectorVest 7 platform, doesn't matter if you're a VectorVest Premium subscriber, Enhanced, or VectorVest Basic, so real-time data, intraday data, or end-of-day data, access to the room is in the same place. So I'm on the home page of VectorVest 7 now. I'm going to click on the Training tab at the upper left, and over on the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the VectorVest Investor Community. So all you'll have to do is click on Sign In. If it's your first time signing in, it may ask you to sign in with your VectorVest username and password. I've already signed into the room before, so I've bypassed that screen. But log in with your VectorVest username and password if prompted, and once you do that, it will bring you to the VectorVest Investor Community login screen. Here, your name will be automatically populated and your email address will be as well. You can change your name here because that's how your name will be displayed if you comment or ask questions in the chat box within the room itself. You can also change your avatar. You can set up a picture, an image of yourself if you'd like to, but this is where you do it right from the sign-in screen. I'm going to keep my name as it is, Jerry D'Ambrosio. Just simply click on Log In, and I'm in. Now, this is my account, of course. I am a VectorVest presenter, so some buttons here I have that you won't have. A lot of the buttons at the upper right, these are all presenter controls where I can turn my mic on, I can share my screen, I can start a recording once a session begins. You will see the volume icon and the reload icon at the upper right. You'll also see screens, notes, files, and the welcome tab, help videos, and survey below. Another feature that you will not see is the roll call at the upper left. This is how many users are currently in the room. So again, the first thing that you'll see when you open up the VectorVest Investor Community room is, again, what we call the welcome mat. Currently, the welcome mat has our schedule of upcoming sessions. Starting next week, starting Monday, July 15th, we will begin delivering live our signature daily color guard report. This will begin at 3:55 p.m. Eastern Time. Consider it a closing bell market recap segment. And I will begin doing that next week. We will also be delivering live in the room our U.S. Timing the Market segment as well. So as you guys know, if you've watched the daily color guard reports before, or the U.S. Timing the Market or the Canadian Timing the Market, you have to wait generally a few hours after the market closes. Our daily color guard reports generally don't get posted, first recorded, then posted after 6 p.m. once data is updated. Same thing for the Timing the Market segments for both US and Canada. You don't have to wait anymore. You can come in here at 3:55 p.m. Eastern Time for the US daily color guard report and the Timing the Market, and the Canadian Timing the Market at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. These sessions will be recorded, and the recordings will be uploaded to VectorVest 7 like they normally do once data is updated, again after 6 or 7 o'clock at night during the week. However, you can retrieve the recording and watch the recording almost immediately after we're done. You click on the little hamburger button at the upper left, go to Archives, and then Recordings. This week, Ryan Shook did a dry run, if you will, presenting the daily color guard reports live in the room, and you will be able to see those sessions there and just get an idea of the live experience watching the daily color guard reports. But again, those videos and those recordings are available immediately after we are done delivering the session, and they will be uploaded to the VectorVest 7 program later each evening like we normally do. So again, just providing you folks with timelier information all around. Coming soon in the weeks ahead, we will add more segments. We're going to do a stock analysis power hour. Rick Franklin's weekly market update, which is currently delivered on Tuesdays, will be done in this room in the coming weeks. And we'll also do some getting started training sessions for new subscribers. And again, that's coming within just a few weeks. But next week, the segments that we will be doing live in this room are the ones that you see at the top. The Daily Color Guard Report, the U.S. timing the market on Friday, and the Canadian timing the market on Friday as well. To the right of the Welcome tab here, or the, again, Welcome mat, are help videos. These are just some help videos, 3 to 5 minute videos on some of the features within the room. I recorded a video on how to download the mobile app, how to retrieve a recording. Like I said, you just click on the hamburger button, go to Archives and Recordings. You can also download those recordings from that landing page as well. Just simply click on Download MP4 or little hamburger button at the bottom right. The interface is pretty straightforward. I have recorded a video on the chat box, on the alerts box, and the screens, notes, files, and all the buttons that you'll see at the top of your screen. So please watch these videos. It'll bring you up to speed a little bit faster on the experience and how to manipulate and navigate the room. We do have a survey. We'd love for you to let us know your experience, not only logging in and accessing the room, but your experience while you're here. Just a quick 5-question survey that will help us get an understanding of the ease of use and the ease of access, and if we can't make things even easier for you in the future. So if you don't mind, just fill out that survey as soon as you get in. Over on the left-hand side, there's your chat box. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a chat box. So feel free to chat amongst yourselves at any time. Remember, the chat is open 24/7. The chat will clear every Sunday evening. So you may pop in here on a Monday morning and not see any chat or any conversations at all, because the chat will clear every Sunday evening. We will send alerts. So the box up at the upper left above the chat box is the alert section. We will send out alerts before we do any live sessions. We'll say, hey, the Daily Color Guard Report will begin in 10 minutes. Just giving everybody a heads up that we will be going live for the Daily Color Guard Report, and that goes for every session that we will deliver in this room live. We will always send an alert letting you know that the session will begin in a certain amount of time. And alerts could be for various other things as well. News headlines, economic data that just came out, or anything pertaining to the stock market. And by the way, the recordings on this landing page, you could see there's a little note at the top. They are only kept on the servers for 2 weeks. So please download any recordings that you'd like to keep. You can download them to your computer, build a file folder of the Daily Color Guard Reports, the Timing the Markets, or any other segments that we do deliver. That was the experience of a VectorVest 7 user accessing the room from the VectorVest 7 platform. Again, very, very easy. Go to the Training tab, click on Sign In Now to the VectorVest Investor Community. If you're doing that for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. That is your VectorVest username and password. Then it'll bring you to the VectorVest Investor Community login screen. You can change your name or your avatar, click on Sign In, and you're in. If you're a mobile subscriber, the experience is a little different. First, go to www.vectorvest.com/VIC. On your mobile device, open up the browser, any browser. Chrome is preferred, but open up your browser, go to that site, and sign in. If you are signing in for the first time, I mentioned if you're doing that from the desktop version, you may be required to log in here with your VectorVest username and password. Click on Sign In. That will bring you to the VectorVest Investor Community login screen, very similar to the desktop experience. You can also within or on your mobile device change your name, your avatar as well. When you click on Log In, this is what the browser version of the VectorVest investor community looks like. A little more condensed, of course, but all the features are still the same. You'll have screens, notes. You won't have video player. That's just a feature that I have in my account, but you'll have files. You'll see the tabs under notes. You can watch the help videos. You can take the survey right here from the mobile version of the room. You'll have your alerts section at the bottom and also the chat below that. Once you access the room from your mobile device, you'll then be able to download and open the Pro Trading Room V3 app. So there is a mobile app. What I showed you there was just a browser version of the room. Open up a browser on your phone, go to vectorvest.com/VIC, log in, and you saw what the interface looked like. There is an app that you can download on your iPhone or your Android device. So go to your app store on either device, type in PTR V3, Pro Trading Room V3, PTR V3. The publisher's name is Bellsoft, so you'll see that under the PTR V3. Download the app, sign in, and then sync the VectorVest Investor Community Room to the app. Now this is very important. You do have to sign in to the browser version of the interface on your mobile device at least once a week to have access to the VectorVest Investor Community. But it doesn't matter if you're a mobile-only subscriber or a VectorVest 7 subscriber, you can access the room from your mobile device, which I think is fantastic. You know, any live content that we delivered, you don't have to be in front of your computer. You can just take out your phone, sign into the room, and watch any of that content. If you're not in front of your computer at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you want to watch the Daily Color Guard Report live, just pull out your mobile device and you can do so. Also, if you have any issues logging in, please email coachingaccess@vectorvest.com. That's a dedicated email address for anyone that is having any issues with the room itself. So whether it's a login issue, trouble retrieving the recording, anything at all, let us know. Email us at coachingaccess@vectorvest.com. So on behalf of everybody at VectorVest, we're really excited about the release of this new room. We hope you get logged in right away and experience the VectorVest investor community. Have a great evening, everyone.
Yeah.